Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian. In today's video I want to show us how we can make this bralette in a simple and easy way. If this is a video you'll be interested in learning, please keep on watching and remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.
3, 2, 1, go!
So guys, for this bralette tutorial you need a small fabric like this. It doesn't take much, like half yard. And you need your chalk, you need your pins, your tape, and also scissors. And also you might be needing a paper stay if you want. I put paper stay because I wanted it to be thick. Go ahead and fold your fabric into two this way and then fold it again. Then from this under end, take your measurements. Mine was 6 inches. I'll be posting the measurements for all the sizes of bra. Go ahead and check out your own measurements. Then after that, you trace it like this. Then use your scissors to cut it. After you finish cutting it, this is how it will look like, just like a circle. Go ahead and fold it back again into two and use your scissors to open it up. So after opening it like this, we are going to put paper stay on it, on the wrong side of the fabric. On your paper stay, place it this way, like this, and the other side like that. So use hot iron to press it. So after pressing it with hot iron, this is what I have. I've also gone ahead to cut out a piece of fabric like this, 2 inches. I'll use it for the handle of the bralette. So as I folded it that way, I'll go ahead and also fold it this way into two. Then I'll go to the sewing machine and sew on the edges, just like that. So guys, after sewing it, this is how it will look like. Now for us to make the cup of the bralette, this is how it's going to be done. Like I'm doing so. From the center, open it, give it a little notch. Don't make it so wide, like I'm doing so. Then after opening it, you are going to fix this handle on it like this way. Fix it from the place that you notched it. Then use your pin to hold it in place, just like I'm doing so. The same thing is done on the other one too. Place it like this. Use your pin and hold it in place. Make sure the both ends are equal. After that, we'll go ahead over to the sewing machine and sew it from this edge up, then again here like this. So guys, after sewing it, you can see how I sewed it, the two sides. After sewing it, this is what I have. You go ahead and trim out all the excesses. After that, you turn it over to the right side. So after turning it, we are going to use iron to iron it very well so it will be relaxed. So guys, I'm done ironing it and you can see how neat it's looking. There is no thread outside or whatsoever. So I've gone ahead to cut out this band. This band is about 25 inches long and 6 inches wide. I also put a paper stay on that band. I also put a paper stay to make it thicker. And I'll be using lining to turn it. I also cut that lining of the same size. I'll place the lining like this on the right side of the fabric. And then I'll go ahead and use my pin to secure it in place. Just like I'm doing so. Then after that, I'll go over to the sewing machine and sew it like that. Then after that, I'll flip it over like this. So when I'm done sewing it, this is what it's like. So now I'll go ahead and determine the center of this band. and give it a notch there at the center. Directly on that place I notched it, I'm going to place this cup like this and use a pin to secure it. Likewise, the other one, I'll also place it directly on that place I notched it like this, and I'll also use my pin to secure it into place. So now, after placing it, fold everything inside and turn the lining like this. You are going to use your pin to secure it in place like this. This is the place to sew it, and this is the way you make your reversible bralette. You don't want to see any thread outside, everything will be inside, so you can wear it both end. So now we'll go to sewing machine and sew it like this. So after sewing it, this is what I have. Now I'll go ahead and turn it to the right side. Turn it like I'm doing so. So guys, this is how it's looking. This is how neat it is. You can see I'm not seeing any thread outside. Everything is neat. You can wear it reversible, you can wear the back, you can wear the front. So guys, as you can see, we are almost done with the sewing. I also went ahead to fix hook and eyelet. I can decide to pin it like this or tie it on my neck. Then I also went ahead to cut tiny pieces of rope. I bought this rope 250 naira in a row. I cut out pieces from there, about 8 pieces. I'll be placing 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. This is how I'll sew it. Like when I'm sewing it, I'll flip it inside like this, like I'm hemming it, then sew it together with the rope. So now I'm going to place one on one edge, the other one on the other edge, then 2 at the center. The same way I'm going to go ahead and also do it like that on the other side, fixing 4 ropes. So now, after placing all these and holding it in place, the next thing we're going to do is to go over to the sewing machine and sew it this way. So guys, after sewing this is how beautiful it is looking. You can see how beautiful, you can see the outcome. This rope like this, you can use any size, can wear it, size 38, 34, 36. You can use it like this to resize it to your own size. I also added hook and eyelet. I can decide to tie this rope on my neck or pin it this way. Go ahead and do any style that you want. It's just about being creative. Thank you guys if you are still watching this video till this end. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please, before you go out, before you leave, help me hit that like button, comment on my video. If you are still to subscribe, what is holding you? Help me to subscribe. Subscription is totally free. It's totally free. They're not charging you. Please help me to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button, so whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. You see how beautiful this bralette is? You can sew as many as you want at the comfort of your home. You don't need to pay anyone. You see those beautiful crop tops you see online? You can go ahead and sew it by yourself. Just do it. You can do it. Okay? Thank you and subscribe to my channel. Bye.